Hi everyone, this is Mom's Gift Course Positivity, and I'm here to spread some positive vibes. So let's spread some positivity around. Well, guys, I'm someone who believes in positivity, and I also believe in the fact that positivity can be spreaded, it can be conveyed to the people who are feeling helpless in their lives. If words, thoughts, or some motivational speaking or a speech could help people come out of their helplessness, then what else one needs who believes in positivity? So I'm here to do the same. Well, I have uploaded so many videos up till now here on my YouTube channel. But what I thought is, if I have something in my mind I could convey to the people, if it helps someone, then my mission of starting this YouTube channel will be completed. And I think I'm gonna do that. And I need your support. Hope you all support and accept me. Well, guys, I am a positivity filled person. That's why I kept the name of my channel also as Mom's Gift Course Positivity. There's a reason behind the name. I will share it some other day. But positivity is something that comes to me naturally. Whenever I go out or wherever I am, I sense it very clearly. And whenever I absorb positivity, that has boosted my positivity. So why not share my own experiences? Sometimes our own experiences may help some others to come out of their ill situations or their tough times. And whatever positivity I have experienced surrounding me, I want to share with you all, because who knows if my sense of that positivity may help boost others' positivity too. So I want to share my own experiences of positivity through these videos to just help people who need some help. So let's start with one of my recent observations. Well, recently I came across a scenario where an ant was trying to climb the rock. I was sitting simply in some garden area and I was looking at something and observing something, and I came across a scenario where an ant was trying to climb the rock on which water was flowing slightly slowly down the rock. The water was not in a rush, or it was not a full force flow, but it was so for me because I'm a human. But for a small size insect, it could be a massive flow. But what I observed is ant was trying to climb the rock against the flow of the water. And that caught my attention, and I kept gazing at the ant, and I could see it. The ant was trying really hard to climb the rock. But the sad part is, each time it tried to climb the rock, it was slipping down. Every time it was slipping down. But I could see it, and I could sense that the ant was one real stubborn ant. It kept trying again and again. It happened so for at least 10 minutes, and after that I was like, oh my god, it is trying really hard, and shall I help? But I refrained myself again and again, like, no, let me see what will ant do now. And all of a sudden it stopped trying, and I was like, what happened? Why it stopped? I just guessed the ant might have got exhausted, or it might have gave up. But what happened in next few seconds is something that made me smile widely, and it is such a joy for me then, and a great joy now even to share with you all. And here, where there is a positivity in the whole story, I just was astonished to see the ant was shifting itself from that slippery rock to a rock next to it, and which is not flowing with water. And I still kept gazing, what will it do next? And when I kept my observation on, I was so happy to see that the ant was shifting its path or changing its road to its destination. And that was so amazing for me to watch. The ant, which was stubborn, which actually didn't give up. I thought it gave up, but it didn't give up. It just tried to reach the destination through another path, through another road, and it tried and it started climbing the rock which was next to that slippery water flowing rock, and I can see that the ant was now climbing with much ease. And in just next few minutes it reached where it wanted to. Believe me, it was a joy for me then, and I was literally so happy to see this. While watching all this, I felt so much of positivity, so much to learn from that ant. Watching all this, I could have helped the ant myself, by lifting it and keeping it at the top of the rock, but somehow I refrained myself from doing so. Do you know why? Why? Because if I would have helped it, I could have missed the beauty of trying. Yes, the beauty of trying. Yes, the beauty of trying is something that I sensed in this my observation. And the beauty of trying is a positivity for me. We must try for our dreams. Before we give up, we must try. And well, with this observation I have learned 3 things, very beautiful 3 things that I will follow in my life. Well, first one, never give up attitude. Second is perseverance. And third, and the most important one, is that there's always a way to reach where we want to go, where we want to be. And I hope people will also follow these 3. And I wish they must follow these 3, and they must be happy. People must try to reach their dreams. Listen guys, there's always a way to reach where we want to go, where we want to be. And guys, if things are not working to get what we are aspiring for in our lives, we don't need to give up on our dreams. We just need to shift our path to reach those dreams. Just like the ant did, it shifted its road from that water flowing rock to another rock that is lying beside it, which was not flowing with water. We need to choose our roads. We need to choose our ways, paths to reach our dream destination. And for our better tomorrow and a dream place, or maybe some dream job, we need to try different paths. And I must say that to the destination for success, not all roads are closed for anybody. It's just different roads are needed to taken for different people. Not all walk the same road to success, and we need to choose a new road to success. The old one seems to be closed or it doesn't work anymore. And guys, we need to do it ourselves, as the ant was trying to find its way, and it actually found its way to the destination. We will all find our ways to the success too. We just need to be hardworking and trying attitudes. So guys, what do you think of this beautiful incidents that took place few days back that inspired me highly, and I hope it inspired you too. So let me know, how did you receive this incidents of positivity in the comment section below. And yes guys, stay positive about life. You never know which moment is the life-changing moment for you. And with that, it's Mom's Gift Codes Positivity signing off. Until my next video with some new positivity incidents or some story or anything related to positivity. And until then, stay hopeful, stay blessed, and take care, you all lovely people. See ya, bye.